Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this half shadow, and it just keeps getting better and better. And thanks for my viewers and subscribers for putting in their 2 cents, because this is really easy and really smart. But sometimes you forget about things, how things work. So I'm going to hit the plus key on my keyboard, and I'm going to make that copy a white or a lighter gray, and then I'm going to grab it, I'm going to bring it down, I'm going to click off of it, I'm going to get the double click, and then I can do that. Now, with this selected, that's a pretty important part, take your crop tool, and you can go way up in here to this letter, but just get the bottom part and hit crop. It didn't affect this because I didn't engulf it all and I didn't have it selected. But when you select something, everything else on the page stays except for what you want to crop. So there you have that drop shadow. We could actually, put an outline around it to kind of extinguish it or take it away and make it a little bit darker to make it look like that half shadow like we did yesterday. And then in the same thing, just take your box, fill it in with a lighter gray, go up to object, order, back a page, and you have a drop shadow. And you could still move the drop shadow up and about, put your nudge factor on something pretty low, and grab your drop shadow, and you can see it's already touching the S, but the other letters it's not. And then just hit your up arrow key till they meet if that's what you were wanting. So I thank that viewer or subscriber and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.